Now we're moving into the arranging and designing part of our process. I put the post on earlier, but I suggest you wait until the end. The reason why it's a designer's circle is because you truly get to decide what pieces of the earrings you actually use. Maybe you only want to use one. Maybe you want to put the top on the bottom. Maybe you want to put the middle piece on the very top of the earring. The choice is totally yours. I suggest that you drill your holes after you do this process so that you know where the holes are going. For the purpose of this video, we will be sticking with the original design and adding each piece where they actually go. Dig right into your toolbox and get your magic marker. You're going to line your pieces up perfectly so that the tips are aligned and that it's as straight as possible. And then you're going to make really small dots on each piece. Try not to go down to the very tip of the earring, but far enough that it can connect with the other piece through the jump ring that you have. This might be the most challenging part of the earring process, so I included a couple more jump rings for you to try it out and practice. So this is your jump ring closer, and it's best friends with your needle nose plier. These two together are going to help you open and close the jump ring so that you can make the earring. So those teeth that we spoke about earlier, make sure that you get the jump ring good and stable inside of your needle nose plier. Then in the first groove in your earring, because this is a thinner jump ring, you're going to stick the jump ring in there and you're going to turn the pliers toward your chest. And now your jump ring is open. Once again, turn the pliers toward your chest. And now the jump ring is open and it's ready for use. So pick up the base of your earring, which is usually a good starting point, and through the open tip, stick it through the front of the piece and twist it up into the middle opening. Now that you have it in there, it's pretty stable and shouldn't shift too much, so you're free to take off your pliers and use your fingers in any way that you see necessary. Now we're going to take the second piece, and with the front facing together, we're going to slip it through the back. Now you'll see that one side of the jump ring is a little bit shorter. We're going to grab that with the plier, and then we're going to take our jump ring closer on the longer side and turn it toward our chest to close it. And we're almost there. Hey, we got some dangle going on. So now we're going to do the last and final jump ring. Same thing, it's closed at this moment. You're going to take your jump ring closer and turn it or the plier toward your chest. And now it's open. So we're going to slip it through the front of the second piece. And you're going to grab your topper. And with the front facing the same direction, you're going to slip the top backward. Remember, all fronts should be facing the same direction. Now we're going to take the jump ring closer and we're going to twist away from us, so going away from our chest, in order to get the two pieces to come together. And you want to make sure that they're good and closed, and then turn the jump rings to the back. And this, ladies, is your earring. One step to go and then we can wear it. This is adding the post. Take your earring topper and take your glue. As you can see, it's already coming out, so you don't really even need to squeeze. And I tap 1, 2, and 3 times, and now it's ready to add the post. And as soon as you can get it on there, make sure it is centered, because it will dry very quickly. I give it a minute, Then I tap, tap, and there you go. There you go, honey. Yes. Okay.